In this video, we're going to review the Help Center and how to create web forms. Here we are in the Zoho Desk settings, so let's click on Help Center. The Help Center is a portal where your contacts will be able to find help articles, participate in a community, submit and review tickets, and more. On this page, we can change some basic portal settings, but let's open the access settings. This is the Help Center URL. Let's open it. And this is the Help Center. The homepage gives the contact a summary of everything they can find in the portal. My Area shows tickets and other settings related to the contact using the portal, but it requires to log in. The knowledge base is where all the help articles that you create are going to be. In this case, we don't have any yet. The Community tab shows all the communities we have in the portal. In this case, we have only one community, which is called Blungo, but we can have multiple ones. Portal users can create posts and make comments using the community section. On the bottom right, we have the Sales IQ chat icon. Contacts will be able to chat with you when needed. Let's go back to the home screen. If we scroll down, we can find this button that says Submit a Ticket. This is a form that, when completed, it creates a ticket in Desk. You can make the field email required, so you can answer the ticket as an email. Alright, let's close the Help Center. In this page, besides the portal URL, we can find other settings, like if signing up is mandatory to use the Help Center, or if the community should be displayed in the Help Center. Under languages, we can set up the default portal language, as well as turn on the multilingual feature, which lets you translate the portal. Clicking on Customization opens the Themes page. You can choose the theme that works best for you, and then click on Customize to change the colors, fonts, and images. Another cool feature of the Help Center is that users can log in with accounts that they already have. This is configured under the Federated Login tab. You can enable one or more accounts from this list, and users will be able to use their Google or Microsoft accounts to access the portal. In the user section, you will find all the users that sign up to the portal. You can also invite new users with this button. The last thing I want to show you about the portal is that you can map your custom domain. Under General, we have rebranding. Click on Domain Mapping. Here you can add a subdomain, for example support.blungo.co, and use it as the Help Center domain. Now let's review the community settings. Here we are in the Categories section. You can use categories to organize different general areas of your community. For example, if you offer multiple services, you can have one category per service. In our case, we have one general community. Let's open it. Here we can see some basic information about this category. And we can add forums, also called subcategories, if needed. Here we have a forum called Online Course. And the Gamification tab lets you turn on gamification. Based on what the community users do, they can earn points, which will increase their level and give them badges. Alright, let's go over web forms. Under Channels, click on Web Forms. And then on Advanced Web Forms. Here we can create forms that we can embed in a website so users can submit tickets. In this case, we already have a web form, but let's create another one. So click on the plus icon, and this is the form builder. Click on Get Started. And some required fields are automatically added to the form. Let's add one more, description. Keep in mind that besides the default fields, we have the advanced tools. All right, next. Here we're going to change the form name and add the domain where the form is going to be hosted. Also a return URL, which is the page that will load after the form is completed. And let's select who is going to be the ticket owner. Finally, click on Save. This is the HTML code that you have to add to your website.